What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and about a week or two ago, we looked at these speakers. We looked at these, and they're absolutely lovely. Then I got an email immediately after posting the video from Thonet and Vander saying, hey, we got a bigger one. You wanna check it out? I was like, yeah. So they sent it over, and now I got, whew. Okay, we're done with you. The Curbis model, those are 340 watt peak, and this is 700 watt peak. They're substantially bigger, clearly. And because of this, I went on Amazon looking for some budget-friendly bookshelf speaker stands, and I found some, so we're gonna set those up in another video, but I will show them at the end of this. But either way, yeah, let's just jump right into it. All right, it's too big. Whoa. Yeah, these are bigger. Bam. There we go, we got two. We got stuff, that's it. All right, so we got, hello. Okay, real quick, this part of the video got corrupted. If you follow me on Twitter, you would know that. If you haven't already, definitely go follow me. I'll leave it right here. This is the part of the video where I was going to show you the cables and it was all corrupt by the time I went to edit, so I'm back real quick. We've got a power cable. You got about a 7-foot or 8-foot long XLR cable for connecting the speakers together, and you have a RCA to auxiliary port cable, so if you want to connect it up to your PC, you can do it that way. I'm using the optical cable. It did not come with an optical cable, but that's okay. I have one. Instruction booklet in multiple languages. And then last but not least, you get the remote. It's got power, mute, input, pairing, reset, up and down volume, previous and next track, play and pause, and then you have your treble and bass equalizers. Oh, also it did come with a button cell battery, which was nice. I'm glad they included that. Okay, back to old me. Get out of here. I mean, I'm out of here. Back to old me. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, cool. So it's just like the other one. Very easy mesh cover to take off, because I actually like the way these look. I think it looks really clean. Now the subwoofers are 6.5-inch subwoofers. They're super lightweight aramid fiber, which is really nice, very elastic. And they're saying with their enhanced rage-based technology, it extends low frequencies to deliver an extremely deep and powerful sound. It's a total of 14 inches tall, 8.5 inches wide, and 9.4 inches deep. You got 30 watt 1-inch speakers that are made of silk with an impedance of 6 ohms. It's completely made out of HDAA wood. Feels very solid. Now over here on the side, you've got your standby and input buttons so you can switch between them. Pair mode for Bluetooth, volume up, volume down. Then you've got your indicator lights on the sides here. On the back, you've got your RCA inputs, your optical input, which is what I'm interested in. You got your on and off switch, power cable port, and your XLR port for connecting to the other speaker. It's very nice, feels like a very solid, feels like a very solid speaker. Let's get the other one out. Oh yeah. There we go. Now this being the second unit, it's very bare. There's no controls on it. You've only got the XLR port for connecting it to the main speaker. All right, let's just plug this thing up. All right, so I got it plugged in. Is it turned on? There we go. All right, there it is, the Kugel Bluetooth. Crank it up. Okay, first off, did the pause worked? First off, I know I'm sitting like right here, but these things are loud. Like, I thought the other ones were really good. No, there's definitely a huge difference. Oh, that's max volume. Reset? Wow. So reset brings it all the way back down to like the normal level. Wow, these are really, really loud. They definitely need to be in a larger environment than this, no doubt. All right, little bass boosted it is. Now, this is that very low, over-exaggerated bass. This is the kind of low bass that travels, you know, like as you further walk away from it, it gets louder and louder, and then you can eventually like almost feel it. Yeah, that's what this is. Just to make sure, let's do a latency check. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's spot on. That's good. All right, I'm gonna do a distance check. I'll be right back. Oh, that reminds me, hold on. Wait, shut up. that reminded me, I totally forgot to mention, these are only running off of Bluetooth 4.0. These are not like the newest model that they have. They actually have a bigger model. I forgot the name of it. It's called Rage or something like that. Rage Killer something. I don't know. Let Thonet and Vander know down below that you guys want to see those ones, because I wouldn't mind getting my hands on those too. But either way, I'm gonna do a distance check. I'll be right back. All right. Okay, yeah, that was actually pretty good. I actually got to my limit, which is my front door, which is around 50 to 54 feet from where we're sitting, and it held up pretty well up until I got to that point, then it started cutting out. Now, if you were in an open environment, much larger environment with no obstacles, then you will probably get even better results than I did. Okay, I've heard enough in here. My left ear is ringing, and I might be partially deaf for a while, but it's not gonna stop me from setting them up in my office. Let's go do that.
It's time for Food Feuds, Denny's versus IHOP. We're gonna taste signature dishes from each restaurant. It's time for Food Feuds, Denny's versus IHOP. We're gonna taste signature dishes from each restaurant.
Okay, so I've got them set up. I think they sound amazing. Now, the Logitechs that I've been using, I haven't made a full decision on if I'm gonna completely use these 100% or if I'm gonna switch back to the Logitechs. So far, right now, these sound so good. I'm really liking it, so I'm gonna leave them the way they are for now, but man, they sure do project. I mean, I can only show you guys so much. Through video, you can only experience it so much, but in person, these things are loud, and the bass travels so far. I know this is like the third time I've said it this week, but I'm just saying, add these to your Christmas wish list if you're looking for some bookshelf speakers. These are not bad, these are pretty good. Again, if you guys wanna see the next size up, let them know down below. Leave a comment, hit the like button, share it with everybody you know, and obviously subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Anyway, guys, again, I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of my office.
Whew. Okay, we're done with you. You can go. Oh. So, we've got... come on.
Can you see my nose hairs? Ooh. I thought I trimmed those.
What? Come on, really?
Is it? Is that a good thumbnail? Get out of here.
That's good. Ba-da-bum-bum-bum-bum-bum. Ba-da-bum.